Hello children, today I am going to solve a value based and hot questions of chapter 14 for you. Value based questions. Number 1. Raman, a painter, always donated 1/5 of his income to an orphanage. Once he got a contract of painting a house having 3 rooms of dimensions 10 meter by 12 meter by 3.5 meter. Second, 8 meter by 6 meter by 3.5 meter, and third is 7 meter by 5 meter by 3.5 meter. He charged rupees 30 per meter square for his work. You have to find how much money did Raman earn. Number B. Find the amount of money he gave to the orphanage. And number C. What features of Raman's personality would you appreciate and why? Solution. Number A. Dimension of a first room equal to 10 meter into 12 meter into 3.5 meter. So length is equal to 10 meter, breadth is equal to 12 meter, and height is equal to 3.5 meter. So area of 4 walls of the room equal to 2 into L plus B into H. This is the formula for area of 4 walls. Equal to 2 into 10 meter plus 12 meter into 3.5 meter. Equal to 2 into 22 meter into 3.5 meter. Equal to 154 meter square. Again, area of ceiling equal to L into B equal to 10 into 12 equal to 120 meter square. So total area to be painted in first room equal to 154 meter square plus 120 meter square equal to 274 meter square. Dimension of second room equal to 8 meter into 6 meter into 3.5 meter. So L is equal to 8 meter, B is equal to 6 meter, and H equal to 3.5 meter. So area of 4 walls of the room equal to 2 into L plus B into H equal to 2 into 8 plus 6 into 3.5 equal to 2 into 14 into 3.5 equal to 28 into 3.5 meter square equal to 98 meter square. Area of ceiling equal to L into B equal to 8 into 6 meter square equal to 48 meter square. So total area to be painted in a second room equal to 98 meter square plus 48 meter square equal to 146 meter square. Now dimensions of third room equal to 7 meter into 5 meter into 3.5 meter. So L is equal to 7 meter, B is equal to 5 meter and H is equal to 3.5 meter. So area of 4 walls of the room equal to 2 into L plus B into H equal to 2 into 7 plus 5 into 3.5 equal to 2 into 12 into 3.5 equal to 224 into 3.5 meter square equal to 84 meter square. Now area of ceiling equal to L into B equal to 7 into 5 equal to 35 meter square. So total area to be painted in third room equal to 84 meter square plus 35 meter square equal to 119 meter square. Therefore total money earned by Raman equal to 274 plus 146 plus 119 into rupees 30 equal to rupees 16,170. Question B. The amount of money given to the orphanage equal to 1 by 5 into rupees 16,170. 5 to 6 16,270 divided by 3,234. So rupees 300,234 is our answer. Number C. Caring is its personality, or you can write any other suitable answer also. Question 2. For Beti Bachao Beti Padhao, a rally was organized by a school. Monal wrote the slogan on a trapezium-shaped cardboard having the length of parallel sides 60 cm and 90 centimeter respectively, and the distance between them as 50 centimeter. Number A, find the area of the trapezium. In number B, what are your views about girl education? Number C, what steps can you take to promote girl education? Solution. Number A, area of the trapezium equal to half into A plus B into H. This is the formula for area of the trapezium, equal to half into 60 plus 90 into 50, equal to half into 150 into 50. 50 is divisible by 2 25 times, equal to 3750 centimeter square. This is our answer. In question B, what are your views about girl education? Answer of number B, girl education is must. Number C, encourage people to send girls to a school. Hot questions. Number 1, in a cylindrical pipe figure 14.23, the area of the surfaces are given. Find the radius and height of the cylinder. This is solution. According to figure, pi r square equal to 154 square units. This is circular top, and area of this circular top is given. So pi r square is equal to 154 square units. Imply 22 by 7 into r square is equal to 154. So r square is equal to 154 into 7 by 22. 154 is divisible by 22 by 7 times, equal to 7 square. So r equal to 7 units, and this is the curved surface area of the cylinder. So 2 pi r h equal to 880 square units. So 2 into 22 by 7 into 7 into h equal to 880. So h equal to 7 to 7 cancel, 880 by 2 into 22. 880 is divisible by 2 440 times, and 440 is divisible by 22 by 20 times, equal to 20 units. Hence radius equal to 7 units and height equal to 20 units. These are our answer. Question 2. The length of a room is 50% more than its breadth. The cost of carpeting the room at the rate of rupees 38.50 per meter square is rupees 924, and the cost of painting the walls at the rate of rupees 5.50 per meter square is rupees 1320. Find the dimensions of the room. Let the breadth of the room be x meter. Then the length is equal to x plus 50% of x equal to x plus 50 by 100 into x. 50 to the 100 equal to x plus x by 2 equal to 2x plus x by 2 equal to 3x by 2 meter. So area of the floor equal to 924 divided by 38.50. It means total cost of carpeting by rate of carpeting equal to, or L into B equal to 92400 and 3850. This becomes after removing the decimal equal to 0 to 0 cancel, 24 times is divisible 9240 by 385, so equal to 24 meter square. So 3x by 2 into x equal to 24, so 3x square equal to 24 into 2, so x square equal to 24 into 2 by 3. 24 is divisible by 3 8 times equal to 16. So x is equal to under root 16 equal to 4 meter. So breadth is equal to 4 meter and length is equal to 3x by 2 equal to 3 into 4 by 2. 2 to the 4 equal to 6 meter. Now area of 4 walls of the room equal to total cost of painting the walls and rate of the painting of the walls equal to 1320 divided by 5.50. So 2 into L plus B into H equal to 132 and after removing the decimal this becomes this, and 5 niche becomes 550. So 2 into 6 plus 4 into H equal to 132000 divided by 550. 0 to 0 cancel. So 2 into 10 into h equal to 13200 divided by 55. 55 is divisible by 11 5 times, and 132 divisible by 12 times, and putting 20 here, and after dividing 1200 by 5 we get 240. So h is equal to 240 divided by 2 into 10. 0 to 0 cancel, and 24 is divisible by 2 by 12 times, so equal to 12 meter. Hence L is equal to 6 meter, B equal to 4 meter, and H is equal to 12 meter. These are our answer. Thank you, children.